Hi Michael, it's Heidi at Taylor & Sons. I'm gonna go under the expedition here and just kind of show you what's going on, and I apologize if it's loud in here. We've got guys working, but I'm just gonna kind of slowly take a peek under here. The good news is I don't see much rust, especially being in the Northwest. There's a lot of surface rust, but it does not look severe at all. It's a little dirty, but try not to hit my head here. Go underneath this. I don't know if you can see that, it's kind of darkened. Looking for anything unusual. I'm not really seeing anything that Alright. And again, Michael, if there's something that in particular that you would like me to shoot under here that you haven't seen in this video, let me know and I can always have them put it back up here. All right, Michael, give us a call if there's something that you would like to see. 208-263-2138. Thanks, Michael.